Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics: fresh batteries in the universal remote and the Samsung TV powered on. Once done, locate the TV model number or be ready to use the remote's auto search feature. This matters because some codes vary by model. Make sure nothing blocks infrared line of sight and stand within 3 feet. Now put the remote into programming mode per its manual, usually holding a setup or code button so the remote can send codes. After that, you're ready to scan or enter the TV code. You'll either use auto scan or manual code entry next. For auto scan, press and hold the TV key, then trigger the remote scan or power search command. Watch the TV and stop the scan as soon as the screen responds. Alternatively, input the Samsung code from your remotes list and press enter or OK. After the remote indicates success, immediately test power, volume, and input keys so you can confirm control. If a function fails, repeat scanning or try the next code on the list until all main functions work reliably. You finish by saving the code to the remote so it remembers the Samsung TV. Many remotes require pressing save or holding setup briefly. Then systematically test channel, volume, input, and menu navigation to verify full functionality. If something does not respond, make sure batteries are strong, no objects block IR, and the correct TV mode is selected. One key troubleshooting tip: if several codes fail, reset the remote to factory defaults and run the auto search again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.